Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing and review of my new planner for the year 2021. It is an Archetype Studio planner. I came to know about this planner through Instagram over 8 months ago and I have been following them since then. I have a really good collection of planners and other planning essentials in their website. So I went ahead and ordered their daily planner notepad and an annual planner. The daily planner has 5 categories in it, which is really helpful for us to prioritize our tasks. The notepad has 60 sheets in it and the quality of the paper is pretty good as well. The daily planner is really useful and it is a must in our workplace. Here comes the Archetype Studio planner. I ordered their binder clip classic annual planner in the size grande. The planner comes in this really beautiful keep box which is perfect to gift someone for this new year. Once we open the box, they have this card which has information about the planner, and they've also given a discount coupon code. Also added this beautiful bookmark which says Magic 2021. The planner is once again covered in a plastic wrap to protect it, and the planner itself is a beautiful blush pink color with gold foil design in it. The Archetype Studio website is pretty easy to navigate. Once we click on Planners and Calendar tab, it lists all their planners for the year 2021. They have 4 different themes going on for this year's and in 3 sizes. One in medium hardbound, next is grande binder clip, and the last one is medium sized planner with a spiral bind. I ordered grande binder clip annual planner, and once we click on that particular item, it lists like all the information about the planner and their specifications. The planner looks and feels like it is made of a really good material, and if we turn the back side of the planner, it is mentioned like the planner is designed and made in India. But one thing that concerns me a lot is like once we have a closer look at this gold metallic part, there's like lots of like tiny like scratches, and it looks the same even at the back side of the planner. It looks like someone has purchased it and then returned it, but I have no other options now. Like if I return, I'll not have a time to get the replacement. So once we open the planner, on the left hand side it says snippets of my life story. I think that is the place where we can write some quotes. On the right hand side they have this beautifully written 2021, and it also says time to make magic happen, and they went with the floral theme on this home page. Looks really good. Once we turn on to the next page, on the left side it says Cubo's love note, and I think it is a note from the author, and on the right hand side it says hello, who are you, and I think it is a place to write something about ourselves, like what we love, our goals, our inspirations, and what we believe in, stuff like that. Here I have some issues with the binder clip. The page gets stuck every time I try to move on to the next. So this page is something where we write our strengths, talents, skills, passions and interests, and on the right side it's a gratitude page, and we are supposed to write what we are grateful for. It's a really good section to write now and then look back at it in the future. On to the next page, it says let's reflect, and it has 2 sections in it. One says my biggest learning for 2020 and the other says my biggest wish for 2021. On the right side, it has a motivational quote that says, "You are enough, you are capable of amazing things, your feelings are valid." On to the next page is like, I think many people are really excited for it. It is a sticker pages. They added 5 sticker sheets in this planner, which is really helpful when we try to decorate our planner. Next is the memories page. They have a place where we can stick our photo collage from the year 2021. The next page is a place where we can write our travels or trips from the year 2021. And they also have a small section where we can stick our favorite picture from the year 2021. On to the next page, they have calendars for the year 2021 and 2022. The layout looks really simple and pretty with the heart and designs in it. Here we are in the month of January. On the left side, they have this cute picture which has lots of food and plants in it. And on the right side, they have this quote called "Keep Growing." On to the next page, there is the calendar layout for the month of January. Overall design looks very clean. They have a notes section and also previous and next month's calendar, which comes in handy for easy reference. The calendar also has official and local holidays highlighted in colors, and each day in the calendar is very spacious to note down appointments and schedules. The next few pages are the weekly layout for the month of January. The layout looks clean with minimal design, which is my preference. They have motivational quotes at the end of each page, and they also have a notes and doodle section. They also included water tracker in each day. Towards the end of the month, they added a place to reflect on the month, and they added this picture on the right side with only outlines in it. I think it's for us to color it. It will be like a really good activity for us. Next page is the habit tracker section. I really wish they had this in the beginning of the month, like how we do it in bullet journal. Here we can track 4 habits of ours, and then they added an additional blank page at the end of each month. Here is a flip through of each month. The design in each month's homepage is very creative, and they have done a good job with the quotes page as well. It will be really fun to set up this planner for the year 2021, which I'm really excited about, and stay tuned for that. I hope you guys found this video useful. I will link this planner in the description below. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for planner related content. Thank you.